Guys ever seen 40K or 35K close in trades, but it's about to.
Well, you just made 35 grand?
January 9th, 2020, we're going over some quick little scouting pairs on 1 hour charts. You can see all of them here. Green is for buying, red is for selling. As you guys see here, lots of JPY for selling. Now, here's the trade that I am in. This is USD CAD sell. We seem to be creating a bearish contraction. So let me just edit this bottom here. Bearish contraction. I'm going to get into it straight away, no waiting. But before I get in and explain everything, I want to just explain to you something that's not healthy for your trading. What's not healthy for your trading is these massive swings of profit and then loss of your equity curve. Those emotions are massive hope and excitement on profiting and misery and stress when losing. You need to remove that from your trading. What you want to do is have a healthy equity curve and focus on weekly, monthly, and annually profit targets. That's where your focus should be. So even if you lose some money here and there, that's totally okay. No problem. As long as it's manageable, as long as your losses are kept small and manageable rather than large and catastrophic, you, my friend, are gonna do just fine. Anyway, I'm gonna kick things off with Euro USD. So we got Euro USD here, nice rejection here at the bottom. I am buying this on another account. So there's the contraction. And then we have this rejection level right here, the close and the low. Remember, that's important. The close and the low. The close, support, massive rejection candle. We, gentlemen, are now, and ladies, are now going up. So the close and the low on the next candle here, look at the close, boom, and the low adds up to the 50% of the contraction, and 61 adds up to these two levels right here of support, right? You see that. So Euro USD is an upside move, easy day trade here, not massive pips, but that's what we want to see. And if you follow the weekly compounding formula here, you can turn your 500 or 1,000. Let's see, I'm talking about small numbers here. 1,000, 0.5, 0.1 lots. You'd be making what you need to make to keep growing your account at that rate of, let's say, 5%, which is $50. And, that 1,000, look at this. This 1,000, at the rate of 5% compounded, becomes 12,000 at the end of the year. And that's pretty fine because you're growing steadily. Look at that. All you need to make is $50 here. You get it? And then 52, and then just a little bit more and a little bit more, and your equity is growing, and that's a healthy growth. But look at the compound interest of this. That's more than 1,200% ROI in 12 months. 1,200%. It's like buying Apple shares in 2016. 6. You get it? You get to create your own destiny here. Anyway, Euro USD bullish. USD JPY, let's go over that together. A beautiful contraction. We also seem to have a breakout, FYI. Now let's see where this contraction lines up. You guessed it, right at this key support zone. You see, and if I go back in time, we'll probably find other levels too where this worked. But for now, we're using this one, and it's this one right here that we're using, and price action is finding resistance, hopefully. Now the profit target here is a little bit bigger than on Euro USD because Euro USD is already moving. So let's see how many pips this is. Oh, beautiful. And look where it lines up, right at this resistance zone here. So support, right? And then resistance, 50%, baby. Moving on, AUD USD. This one is bullish to me again. So we had this massive contraction here, finding rejection, creating a new contraction, creating a new contraction, and it went up. So you could have made money buying, then selling, then buying, and now let's see what's going on. Maybe a possible bullish continuation. We'll have to wait and see. See this? Oops, one sec. I'm just showing you the basics of this. This is really simple. Your trading should not be that complicated. There it is. So bullish continuation, push up, and then we target the 50% of this major contraction. Moving on, USD CHF, another contraction, and good selling opportunities here happening right now. So we just need to break this level. But, gents, ladies, contraction, they work. Where is the contraction? Rejection zone. See that? It's right there. Let me show it to you. Boom. Oh, come on. Boom. Rejection. And there's the zone from down here to up here. Cool. So, USD CAD. This one's looking really good. So we have a contraction within a contraction. Purple levels are a contraction within a contraction. And we have this key trading level here that lines up with this. Look, boop, right there. Isn't that beautiful? Let's sell this, boys and girls. GBP JPY, another contraction on the JPY. Hail, something might be coming to the markets today. FYI, some kind of uncertainty, but look at this. JPY has contractions all over the place. And we have this rejection zone here too. Keep in mind this was the Asian session, so there tends to be fake outs. And then we have another contraction. Very similar to the other one. So JPY full of contractions. And then we have another contraction. Let's clean this up. You see this, guys and girls? Contraction, contraction. I'll do it like this with this being a fake out. So, 1 hour charts, easy profit targets. Bottom to top, 50%. Very easy. This is the one I'm in, and Euro USD is the other one I'm in. They're both working out good, especially Euro with this massive rejection here. Not a big profit target for me, but it's okay. I ended up buying yesterday, last night, when I sent out the screenshot to the community down here. So, you know, that's a good healthy 20, 25 pips for me. And I'm happy with that. I'm looking to short some JPY pair too. Maybe GBP JPY because we do have news coming out of the UK later on in the day. Okay, that's all. 6 minutes. Thank you. Have a super duper Thursday. Bye.